Yeah. Right then, I've come out from a place called Sharpham. I know what it is. That road links up there. I know now. Yeah, that's the main road there, Glastonbury. Yeah, I understand it now. Anyway, here's what looks like an old Brunel bridge, this, doesn't it? This bit here. Like an old Brunel bridge, yeah. There's Glastonbury, look. There's Wirral Hill. And Zara used to live where that noise is coming from. She used to live near there. And that's Wirral Hill, where Joseph of Arimathea's thorn bush is. And there's our beautiful Glastonbury, look. And this looks like it was once quite a busy bridge, this one. It's got a Brunel style to it. And years ago I used to take a quick cut through here. Rather than go through Glastonbury, I used to cut through here. Yeah, I just realised where I am now because I've got my map on the back. Yeah, so I see where I am now. There's the big road. If I'd gone up there, but what I'm doing, I'm going to go up. I'm following this here. When I come out here, I'm going to get back on that road and then I'm going to turn up there. That's the plan. Yeah, I know where I am now. And I have probably done this in the past. A little bit of yeah, so anyway, I'm going to carry on the video. And it's getting on my bike again. This is a cyclist path. This might help prevent you getting killed by going on the main road. Hold on. There we are, it's 18¼ miles to Bridgewater. The Royal Bank of Scotland, some think this is one of 1,000-mile posts funded by the Royal Bank of Scotland. The Tor is 2¾ miles away, it says. They've probably done all this. So when the festival's on, see, which was only last week, you can hire bikes at the festival and they probably take you on guided cycle tours. This is quite pleasant going up through here, isn't it? It's such an adventure today. Obviously I haven't recorded all of it. But these are like the type of willow. An avenue of willows, this is. Of course, I'm on my way to Godney, eventually. This is all very pleasant, by the way, what I'm doing. All very pleasant. I wanted to get to Glastonbury anyway, so I would have achieved the mission. And you need the late nights to be able to do this. Because I can't just drive over, I have to cycle all the way from Weston to get here. I mean, this might have still been part of the railway line, see, in the past. This would be packed. Oh, look at that, there's Glastonbury again. At the weekends, I expect. God, it's so therapeutic, this is. I've been sat in a flat, well, I've been going up small walks, but I haven't been feeling 100%. I've got no garden. Just stop a minute, look at that. There's Wirral Hill again. This is all the Somerset Levels, everyone. Bet you could have heard the music of the festival at one point from here. Lots of wildflowers. Cows in the fields. This prevents you having to go on that awful road. It is quite a fast road actually. Like I said, being stuck in the flat and you haven't got a garden. Well, I've got lots of family tree work to do, but I mean, you know, this is brilliant. But like I say, it's a hike for me just to get here. I've got to go right across all up that valley. This is the Avalon Valley, you see. All this. Anyone who's like cycling or you want to start, this is a good place to start. Very good place. Like I said, there's a summer holidays, it'll be packed with families and children. Good place for children to come out into the countryside, look, and feel relatively safe on their bikes. At least it's quite well signposted. Look both ways. Right, we must be on a road now. Yeah. Let me have a look. Is it this one? Right, now this is where it gets confusing. That seems a long way back to go to Glastonbury that way, doesn't it? Let's have a look at the map again. I think I might have to get back up on that road that way. I don't want to go that way. That would be taking me towards streets. That's not the way I want to go. Right, I've gone across the bridge. Yeah, I'd have to go down there, then along somewhere, and then up. I think I'll go up there, along, then up. Problem solved. Yeah, there is. Otherwise, you've got to go right round that way. I reckon it'd be quicker to go this way. Yeah, it will, I think. So this will take me up onto a more busy road. It is fast. It's very straight. It's like one of those Roman roads. There's our beautiful Glastonbury. There's footpaths here that you can use to walk into town if you want to. All I've got to do is remember my way back. But we used to use these tracks as kids. A lot of roads that look quite busy now weren't when I was a child, by the way. People didn't have the cars in those days. There weren't that many cars. Most people had bicycles. And you didn't see a lot of traffic, to be quite honest, when I was 10 years old. Not like you do now in all these really fast cars. You had Austin 7s and Hillmans and other really old cars. Hiya! Hiya, Moo-Moos! So there's Glastonbury, everybody. Probably a bit shaky. And I'm going to be joining the main road up here in a minute. And then I'm going to branch off. I want to find Godney. That's my mission. An ancient village in the marshes, which has got links with Joseph of Arimathea and Glastonbury. Very rooted in Glastonbury Abbey. Right then, I'll stop a minute. Stop there. There's a helicopter. He's been hovering about. You know, everywhere I go, I get followed by helicopters, you know. There's Wirral Hill. I'm hoping to come back this way when I go home. So it'll only be a courtesy visit to Godney. I've got to do it today. It's got to be done. Over and out on this one.